My name is Sayyid Suchair, and today our topic is line following robot using logic gates. The group members are Mohammad Qasim Umar Quraishi and Mas Siddiqui. First of all, Mohammad Qasim Umar Quraishi will explain the introduction and background of line following robot.
The introduction of the line following robot using logic gates. Line following is one of the most important aspects of robotics. A line following robot is an autonomous robot which is able to follow either a black or white line that is drawn on the surface consisting of a contrasting color. It is designed to move automatically and follow the made plot line. The robot uses several sensors to identify the line, thus assisting the robot to stay on the track. The array of three sensors make its movement precise and flexible. The robot is driven by DC gear motors to control the movement of the wheels. Logic gates is used to perform and implement algorithms to control the speed of the motors, string the robot to travel along the line smoothly. This project aim to implement the algorithm and control the movement of the robot by proper tuning of the control parameters and thus achieve better performance. It can be used as industrial automated equipment, carries, and small household applications. Now, Ma Siddiqui will explain the design procedure in this project.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to explain the working principle behind this project LFR using logic gates. LFR means line following robot. So in order to make a robot which follows line, we have to consider different scenarios which a robot can encounter during the line following. Starting with the easier and common ones, when robot senses that the line is in center, then in binary language the sensors will output 010, 111. For this scenario, both the left and right motors will move forward, and robots keep following straight line until there is a turn. For example, if there is a right turn, the line will move. The line will move towards the right, and sensors are now sensing the line at the right. In binary, it will be 011 or 001. Hence, to make a right turn, right motor will stop, and left motor will move forward. Same goes with the left turn, as in order to make a left turn, right motor will move forward, and left motor will stop. Now we will take an invalid scenario when sensors are reading 101, which means line at the right as well as on the left. So this is invalid state which might be due to the sensors malfunction or bad track quality. Last scenario is when all sensors read 111 or 000. 111 means line is perfectly in center and robot should go forward so both motors will move forward. 000 means robot is detecting no line. So again motors will move forward until it finds the line and start following. Now Sohaib will explain the flowchart and results.
Now I will explain the algorithm and flowchart behind this project. First of all, the sensors are input and motors are output. So we will lead the sensors, and according to the conditions, the motors will move forward or stop. Now I will show all the scenarios via simulation. First of all, we can see 010. In this case, the right and left motors are moving forward, which is according to the flow chart. Now we will test another condition like 100. Now we can see the right motor is only moving, and because of this, the robot will turn left. Now we will test another condition like 100. Now you can see that left motor is only working and it is moving forward. So now the robot will turn right. These were the few scenarios which are using which are used in line following robots using logic gates.